Hamas leader Ismail Haniyeh warned against a planned march by Jewish nationalists through Israeli-occupied East Jerusalem, saying that the Palestinian Islamist group would use all possibilities to confront it. The controversial so-called Flag March is due to take place next week to mark Jerusalem Day, which commemorates the occupation of the city after Israel occupied East Jerusalem in 1967. Israeli authorities have not approved a route that would see the march entering the Flashpoint Al-Aqsa Mosque compound, and this has never happened in the past. At a speech marking a year since an 11-day flare-up in the conflict between Israel and the group that rules Gaza, the Hamas leader alleged there had been calls to storm Al-Aqsa Mosque and hold a march of flags. "We will confront it with all possibilities and we will never allow the Al-Aqsa Mosque to be violated," he said. His remarks come after more than 70 Palestinians were wounded last week in confrontations with Israeli forces at a Jerusalem funeral, according to Palestinian medics, in unrest that Israeli forces said included violent riots which threatened officers' lives.